Good morning, Primary 2. Today we are going to talk about measuring length. The first thing we have to know about measuring length is centimeter. Centimeter is a small standard unit of measuring length, used to measure the length of small objects as my finger, pencil, book, or an eraser. How can I measure my pencil in centimeter? What do you think? Yes, we are going to use our rulers. So please hurry up and get your ruler. What about the ruler? The ruler is a measurement tool used to measure the length of small objects. Let's start. Step 1. Line up one end of the pencil with a 0 mark on the ruler. Now, Step 2. Find the centimeter mark on the ruler that is at the other end of the pencil. My pencil step ends at 16 centimeter. What about yours? Let's find the length of the following objects. Our first one is fork. What we are going to do? Yes, I'm going to use my ruler. Let's start. Put your ruler. Now line up one end with the 0 mark on the ruler. Step 2. Find the centimeter mark on the ruler that is at the other end. So, what do you think? Yes, it's 7 centimeter. What about my glue? I'm gonna ruler, line up one end at 0 mark and line up another mark at the end of the glue. So it will be 5 centimeters. The last one, a safety pin. What do you think? Yes, I'm gonna put my ruler. Line up one end with the 0 mark. Now find the centimeter mark on the other end. Yes, it's 3 centimeters. Now let's talk about meter. Meters are used to measure distance and longer length, like a distance or a length of a building or a board or a school bus. A meter is the same as 100 centimeter. What do you think about this sentence? Okay, let's talk about meter. If you want to know what is the meter, put 100 centimeters beside each other. So you will get 1 meter. So 1 meter equal 100 centimeter. Let's measure to centimeter. If I ask you, how long is this crayon? What do you think? Let's estimate the length. In my opinion, it will be 7 centimeter. But if we want to know the real measure, I'm going to use my ruler, mark at 0 and the other end, and let's take the measure, 8 centimeters. Let's take more examples. If I have a nail, what do you think? Let's estimate its measure. I think it's about 3 centimeters or 4. Yes, it's about 4 centimeters, I think. Measure it. Well, I have to use my ruler and line up one end at 0 mark and line up in the other end and get the centimeters. So in this case, it's 3 centimeters. Yes. Let's take another example. What about a key? If I want to estimate the length of this key, I can say it as 7 centimeters. But if I want the real measure, I'm going to use my ruler, line up one end with the 0 mark. Find the centimeter mark on the ruler on the other side. It will be 6 centimeters. This was our lesson today. Thank you so much for listening, and wait for me in the next video, inshallah.